goodness, I'm so excited to be here planning for the last week in November. Super, super stoked. We have passed Thanksgiving and all of that rush and hustle and bustle is over. And now we are getting ready for the big crunch time for Christmas. So I am really excited. I have the majority of my Christmas shopping done. I have a few online orders coming to me, but honestly, no big stress. So I'm super excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into the plan with me. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Color Story book, and I'm gonna be doing, let's see, which one did I want to do? Oh, this one, this rose gold palette. It's supposed to go with the Faith Planner, I believe, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it for just like the calm before the storm, I suppose. So I am gonna go ahead and do this to music and speed it up. So I hope that you guys don't mind that, but I have a lot going on. I have two little kiddos home with me, so they're running around making noise, so I don't want that to interrupt necessarily all of my chit chat with you guys. So if you're looking forward to a chit chat plan with me, that will be back next week. I'm just gonna speed it up this time. Some of you guys like that, some of you guys like the other chattier versions. So let me know what you prefer down in the comments below. If you like the chatty ones, if you prefer the fun music to just watch the planning, let me know what you like in the comments below. So I will see you guys back at the end. so this is my completed spread. I really like how it turned out. It's giving me all those like fresh start vibes. So I definitely didn't do anything Christmassy because all of December is gonna be Christmassy. I swear there's gonna be like Christmas throwing up on my planner. You guys are gonna be tired of it. Trust me. So I did definitely want to make sure that I got something gorgeous in my planner though. That would motivate me throughout the week. If you can see over here, these 2 boxes are blank. It's because we don't have any weekend plans yet, which I kind of love. So we'll see how it goes. But I wanted to make sure I had something full and cute. So this is my weekly spread. If you like this video, let me know that down in the comments below. If you really hate the sped up versions of these, let me know that down in the comments below. I just wanted to change it up a little bit. So thanks so much for hanging with me and rocking with a little bit of change. I appreciate you all so very much. And I just wanted to give you the biggest internet hug ever. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and the bell notification before you leave. If you would like to find me on other social sites, you can find me over on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And by the way, you guys, have fun today.